altitude, puts the altitude, -5.
Dad, what's your best time ever?
What? Who's that?
What's your best time?
Whose phone is that?
It's things.
Huh?
The YouTubers.
No. Why are you taking stuff for?
No, I asked him and he said yeah. What's your best time?
My best time was 8:72.
8:72. Wait, what's your best time?
8:49.
Chris, what's your best
Time 9:52.
Rango? What's your best time?
9:6.
What's your name?
Lord Christian.
What is the point of hellcats? What's the point of hellcats?
Because they're cool.
Someone else.
It's not to pick up women. They only pick up the boys.
Seriously, Dad?
It's so serious.
Show you the food that Chris has. You want to make it higher? Make it higher. And go lower, lower. Oh look, a ladybug. Search for CJR Performance. These tires on Durango. Wait, the dog got Durango. We can do your pipes if you want to make it later. You can change your tires. And I should